Well, hello. How are ya? We back with Billie Eilish, and I mean the album that she just dropped. Okay, don't ask me the name. Okay, I just don't know. But I've been asleep on it for 11 days, so we back with it. We got Bird of a Feather. We flocking together. Okay, that's what I'm thinking about. So, hey, is it a love song? It got FINNEAS in, and that's her brother. Wait a minute, y'all see that? Oh my God, I hope y'all didn't see that. If you didn't see it, I feel stupid as hell. Okay, because you don't know what the hell I'm talking about. What is going on? But let's get it. I ain't finna waste your time. You see the thumbnail? I see the thumbnail. We see the title. Let it. I ain't finna waste your time. Subscribe. Okay, that's it. Now I'm not finna waste your time. Okay.
I want you to stay.
Wait a minute, Billy.
Till I'm in the grave. Till I ride away.
I know this. I think my girlfriend was listening to this hoe right here. I don't know why it sound familiar. Have my girlfriend listened to it? I don't know. It just sounds so fucking Hold on, let's start this over. That motherfucker doom, 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 doom. Shit, I sound like a goddamn Skype call. Okay, what's going on? It kinda do though.
I want you to stay.
Come on.
Till I'm in the grave.
I like that.
Till I ride away. Dead and buried.
FINNEAS.
Till I'm in the casket you carry. If you go, I'm going too.
You better sing it, FINNEAS.
Cause it was always you.
I like this. Cause it was always you, Billy. Okay. What is going on? Like, this is a concert and then they like recording each other, but this is a perfect song for them, bro. We only 28 seconds in and I'm loving it. Okay. Can I repeat it? Wait, it's going on.
Casket you carry. If you go, I'm going too.
What?
Cause it was always you.
You.
And if I'm turning blue, please don't save me.
Hey.
Nothing
Hold on, FINNEAS.
without my baby.
What out, y'all, baby? Hold on. She talking to me.
And if I'm turning blue, please don't save me.
Damn.
Nothing left to lose without my baby.
Aw, that's deep.
Birds of a feather, we should stick together.
Hey, FINNEAS.
Said I'd never think I wasn't better alone.
That is fly as fuck. It's crazy though. They literally came up with each other and literally came up with it. That is insane. Hey, listen, Jess, this over for you. Okay, just take off the baby part and the other shit. But the birds of a feather, we flock together. Okay, what's going on? We gotta start that chorus over though. I don't know what about y'all. Okay, what's going on?
My baby.
What she say?
Birds of a feather, we should stick together. I know I said I'd never think
FINNEAS.
I wasn't better alone. Can't change the weather, might not be forever, but if it's forever.
Why do this sound familiar though? I love you to death, changing the weathers and shit, Billy. Why does it sound familiar? Like I noticed consciously. Is that a word? Hopefully so.
Said I'd never think I wasn't better alone. Can't change the weather, might not be forever, but
What's
if
up?
it's forever,
Damn.
it's even better. And I don't know what I'm crying for.
Yeah.
I don't think I could love you more.
I liked it. I had to cut it, but that pit had me dying. Woo. Like I was saying before I was rudely interrupted. Now I'm thinking about my girlfriend. Well, I'm thinking about so many people. Okay, this is a song for the people that you love the most. Okay, what is going on? All right.
Might not be long, but baby,
What?
I'll love you till the day that I die.
Hey, come on, look at him.
The day that I die. Till the light leaves my eyes.
I like this, really.
Till the day that I die.
Woo, not till the day that I die. I ain't gonna try. Okay, forget it, Billy. You sound amazing, like an angel or something, bro. I've never really heard this. I mean, well, I should have known at lunch. She just had me flustered sexually that I just didn't realize how soft and beautiful her voice was. But shit, sis, what the hell?
Till the
Play this at my funeral or something.
day that I die. I want you to see
Hey, whoa,
how you look to me.
hold on. That beat switch up is crazy. I tried not to pause it, but that shit was sick. What is going on? Wait a minute.
I
second verse. Ooh.
How you look to me.
Bro, y'all heard that? Listen.
You wouldn't believe if I
What is that?
you would keep the compliments I throw you.
Look at her. Okay. Now let's listen now. That motherfucking FINNEAS did his fucking thing, Thiesel.
I want you to see
Okay.
how you look to me.
Okay.
You wouldn't believe if I told you. You would keep the compliments I throw
Hey.
you. But you're so full of shit.
Damn. Wait a Keisha. Wait a minute. I thought this was birds of a feather we flocking together. I can't think of Jess or Tyler. Now I'm thinking of somebody I'm gonna beat the hell out of. What is going on? The emotions is everywhere, sis. What is going on? Okay. But you're fine as hell. I mean, the blue is complimenting your blue eyes, and I just want to let you know that I'll be whatever you want me to be. The shit, not the shit. The smell good, you know. Whatever you want me to be. Beautiful. But who's she talking about though?
Wouldn't believe if I told you. You would keep the compliments I throw you. But you're so full of shit.
Look at her with a fine ass.
Tell me it's a bit.
Woo! Billy. All right, I let the first one slide, but you okay, Rabbit, calm down. Okay, just rewind it, Rabbit. Okay, what's going on?
You would keep the compliments I throw you. But you're so full of shit.
What she say?
Tell me it's a bit.
What else she say?
Say you don't see it, your mind's polluted. Say you wanna quit, don't be stupid.
What the fuck?
I don't
Look at her. It's beautiful.
I don't think I could love you more. Might not be
That's beautiful, bro.
babe.
Just sharing that experience with your brother, bro. Somebody you love the most that grew up with you literally, bro. That is fucking amazing. What you say?
Don't wanna say goodbye. Should still get it on.
Okay, Kevin Word. Oh, that's beautiful. Billy. And then you gonna bring the, and then she gonna bring the doo 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 back after she just sung the shit out of that, like Whitney Houston. Oh, Billy, I'm in love with you, Billy. Listen to this girl. And then I gotta bring her. Oh, that shit hard. Look at her. Hey. Ooh. Pretty pink lips, man. God damn. Look at her. Oof. That's beautiful. And then in front of the crowd and shit, somebody slap her. That girl know exactly what she be doing. And I'm gonna put it in the headlock. I don't care what y'all saying and shit. I'm gonna put it in the headlock after we have, never mind. Anyway, we still on the album, all right? I just want to know what's your favorite song, okay? And if you really, listen though, some of y'all saying go all the way back and then then do the album, okay? Start with her old shit first. So if y'all really want to see that, let me know in the comment section, and I'll get that to you quick, faster than a Harry if you ask me for it. Okay, what's going on? Like I said, every video, if you new, you know what to do. I want you to hit the red subscribe button, come back. We'll be right here. Rack to a new video. I want you to be safe. Remember that man above ya, he love ya. See you next video.